Better control. He is truly excited. Just watch his face. Look at his face. Doesn't he look excited? Right now you are seeing the boring life of my cats. Yes, it is truly this boring. Right now my boring cat is eating.
Prison. That's not 07, that's way before 07. I didn't have all that. Yeah.
I'm trying to film boring life of my cats, but I can't find any cats. Oh, there's a boring cat.
She wasn't used anymore. Yeah, to think that she's going to go now and be, go to accounting school, I think is whimsical. It's not, and what she's doing is legal. At least she's making a living for herself and the family. And we don't know how good she's going to be at it.
I'm like I'm one of them film guys.
She's supposedly a big hit. She's not the most gorgeous creature, but she's got a great body. Somebody's got a great body.
You know what's amazing about this? Both she and Joey continue to try to be
Like the Humiliate Mystery on YouTube. Look at all the snow! And it just keeps falling. That's a cat door. That's a bunch of crap down there. Crap. Not crap. Crap. Thank you for watching. Come again.